My name's Jacquelyn. I've been with Horizon Ag and Turf for about a year and a half now, and I'm one of the service technicians here. How I got started at Horizon Ag and Turf is I was working at a different dealership down south as a service writer. Some of the technicians were really pushing me to move into the shop. From there, started my apprenticeship. One of the technicians really just kind of took me under his wing and taught me the basics, the diagnostics. It was really good. Moved into a service truck as a first-year apprentice. From there, I moved back home, had the opportunity to join the Horizon team in Lloydminster here. It was full harvest mode, so it was time to hit the ground running, and yeah, the rest is history. I wouldn't say I have a normal day at work necessarily. It depends, like in the winter, we're doing green light inspections and repairs, but then come spring, pretty well all through harvest, I'm in a service truck. And yeah, who knows what you're gonna get thrown at. You kind of know it first thing in the morning and you roll with the punches. Some of the things I like about being a service tech would probably be the diagnostics and repair. The other thing is going out to a customer's place and having that interaction with the customer, and then the satisfaction of figuring out the issue to actually fix it to get them back going again. I would say the company supported me in a couple different aspects. I finished off my last year of apprenticeship here, and then we get a bit of like deer-specific training, and then also just the little bit of work-life balance in the sense where we have such a big team here. We're able to kind of share weekend shifts, and you're not on every weekend, which is nice from other dealerships where it's like, you're the road tech, you're the only one. So that's nice. Moving from a smaller dealership, I was pretty concerned about what the atmosphere was going to be, but getting here, even with the large team, it just felt like family and everyone welcomed me in. Something I enjoy about my work is probably harvest time, where it's absolutely crazy and everyone's like go full speed. And when the guys are down at harvest time, like you know you got to get the crop off, then you have a short window to do it. So the satisfaction of getting the guys going again after they're broke down during harvest, that's probably the best thing. My advice for someone who wants to start out as a service technician is probably find someone who's going to teach you. Find a good journeyman that will teach you the diagnostics, the hydraulics, the electrical, just the basics. My overall experience with working with Horizon Ag and Turf would probably feel like coming back home, as this was our family's dealership that we dealt with as a customer, so then it really just, yeah, felt like coming home.